are going to be doing a fall look, and I am going to be gravitating towards greens and browns today. I just figured that greens and browns are the perfect combination for the fall time. I'm just gonna clip up my hair, but I have my coffee here, and it is a very cold Saturday morning. So I'm just gonna use my Isotri hyaluronic acid sunscreen. I feature this in every video. It is almost done. I know I say that in every video, but no, literally guys, it's almost done. I'm just trying to use the rest of it before I start on a new one. Okay, so for primer, I am going to be using my e.l.f. Power Grip Primer, and I'm just going to use a little bit, half a pump. You really don't need a lot. All right, for foundation, I am going to be using my Born This Way foundation by Too Faced. Mine is in nude. This, I don't know, I'm kind of on the fence on this foundation because it does like oxidize to being a little bit yellow on me, so I am giving it another chance. Before I do that, I am going to put on my L'Oreal Paris True Match Lumi Glow Lotion, and it's just supposed to make my face a little bit more dewy. I just want to put a little bit, not a lot. Don't want to put too much on. And yeah, it looks really yellow compared to my hand, but hopefully it will work out in the end. I'm just gonna use a little bit. How is everyone doing? What have you guys done now that it's fall? Have you guys gone to like the pumpkin patch or gone to anything fall related? The only thing that we've done so far is a trunk or treat, and I do want to take the kids to a pumpkin patch. I've just been so busy, and I'm trying to go at a time where the weather isn't too crummy because it's been really cold, and on the days that's nice I'm like busy, so I can't do that with the kids. Okay guys, so brows are on. I am just using my NYX Professional Brow Pencil, and then I am just going to prime my eyes. I am just using my NARS concealer. I'm trying to finish this up, so I've just been using it as a primer for my eyes. Okay, so this is the palette that I am going to be using. This is by Morphe, and this one is in Boss Mood 35M. I know they came out with another one at the same time they launched this one, and I think that was more of a cool tone. I really don't remember, but I have it, so I really just kind of want to put it into use. I might declutter it, I'm not sure yet, depending how today's look goes. I just feel like Morphe eyeshadows are a hit or miss, in my opinion, and so we will see how it performs today. Okay, let's put Play It Cool, and Play It Cool is this light brown color. Not a really light brown, but it's a brown color that I am going to put in the crease. I'm just gonna lightly put that all over my crease. I was kind of thinking about doing a halo look, but I'm not that great at doing halos, so I am still debating if that is what I want to do. All right, you know what? I am just going to go for it. I'm gonna take a darker brown, and I am just going to pat this on the outside, slightly blend it in just a little bit, because I am gonna try to attempt a halo look today. And then I'm gonna put that on the inner corners and slightly blend it up like that. And I am just using the brown right underneath Play It Cool. It is called Talk Dirty. Do the same process on the other side. I don't really want to blend it out too much because I don't want that color to fade. I just don't want to have to keep adding more. To kind of deepen it up, I'm gonna go with a darker brown, and let me show you guys the shadows. So first I use this one in my crease, and then I put this on the inner corner and the outer corner, and then I'm gonna go and do the same thing, but I'm gonna do it with this color here, and that color is Sparks Fly. You can definitely create the same look using a different palette. It's just using just the colors that I mentioned, and then you just use the same steps that I am doing. Doing it onto the other side. And then just kind of connecting it towards the middle. You know, I think the hardest part about halo eye is making it even with the other eye. I just feel like my eye shapes are so different from one another, and yeah, it's really hard trying to make it even. I'm just gonna make it a little bit darker with the last color we went into. I just don't want any open spots. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye. All right guys, with my finger, I am going to go into, I did do a little bit of swatches, but I kind of want to go towards this color here, and this color is called Stand Out. And yeah, it's a really pretty green color. So I want to put that in the center. Again, using my fingers, I just think shimmer eyeshadows look so much better using your fingers. I'm just gonna tap that in the middle and go up, kind of like fading up. That's what I'm going towards. Do it on the other side. Don't worry, we are going to fix it where it is not just one big blob. Take the smallest brush that I used earlier and then kind of deepen the outer corner and the inner corner. It is a little bit darker than I was anticipating, so I don't know if you can even tell that it's a halo eye. It just looks like one big blob. Okay guys, I'm gonna go with the lighter color because that color did not work out for me. I'm just gonna go with this really green color. Hopefully mixed with the dark, it's not as bright. And I'm just gonna pat that right on top. Okay, it did kind of make it lighter. But I don't know. I don't know if I like this look. Maybe if I put lashes on, it'll look better. All right guys, so we have lashes on. I am just using the Ardell 421 fake lashes, and I am going to deepen my eyeshadow. I just feel like with lashes, everything just kind of comes together and you can just adjust your look. So just gonna kind of deepen this up a little bit on the inner corner and on the outer. All right, so we are going to bronze up the face. I'm just gonna use this Mario contour stick, and this one's in light medium. I'm just gonna put on my jawline, the hollows on my cheek, and my temple. Just gonna get a brush and I am going to blend that out. This is a brush that I got from Amazon. Sorry guys, my neighbor is so loud upstairs. And sorry that you guys have to hear that. For blush, I am going to go for a liquid blush. I am using my Flower Bombs. These are my two favorite. This one is in Nectar. And I'm just gonna take a little bit of Nectar and mix that in with Pinch. Yeah, Pinched. So I am going to mix these two colors up. This one's more of a neutral color. I'm gonna mix them both together with my finger. And I'm just gonna dab this on my cheek. All right, I'm just taking my favorite blush brush for liquid blushes, and I'm just gonna blend that out. I just think it blends it out really nicely. This is a crown brush. I don't think they sell this anymore. I got this at my BoxyCharm box. For bronzer, I'm going to use my Maybelline City Bronzer. And I am going to take an angle brush and just bronze up my face. I'm gonna leave the blush looking like this. I really like the color. Let's do my lips really quick. My ring light, the battery is gonna do my lippies. And I took out two, both from L'Oreal Infallible, and these are the new ones that they just came out with. This one is in 120 Major Crush, and then this one is 105 Breakfast in Bed. I do need a lip liner. For lip liner, we are using the ColourPop Lippy Pencil, and this one is in BFF. And I have to hold it down because it goes in and out. I don't know if yours does that, but mine does. I'm just lining my lips. And I'm gonna kind of overline, not too much. Let's do the darker color, 120 Major Crush. And this one's more of a pink nude. I might mix the two, not sure. It has a really sweet smell. So if you guys don't like scents, you will probably not like this. I'm gonna go into the 105 Breakfast in Bed. I'm gonna put that on the center of my lips. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. If you guys stayed until the end, I just want to say thank you. I know it was a little bit of a struggle with the halo eye, but it all came out together with the lashes. I think lashes really do put everything together. And yeah, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.